Hello friends, in today's video, we will be discussing how to create 2D stairs in AutoCAD. First of all, we come to the AutoCAD screen and set the units. After that, we will set the units in the Dimension Style Manager. We will use the line command and draw a line of 3 feet. After drawing the line, we will use the offset command and set the distance to 10 inches. We will use the copy command and give a copy distance of 3 feet 4 inches. We will use the rectangle command and trim off any unnecessary parts using the trim command. After that, we will draw a line from the center indicating which side of the stairs is the upward direction. The 2D stairs drawing is now ready. For more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel.